Hi everyone and welcome to our Yuletide Joy Collection that is just newly released for Christmas in 2022. This is a beautiful traditional color. If you are a traditional colored person, that red, green, and gold, for your Christmas season, this is the kit. You're going to want to see this entire thing. You're going to want to dash off it and buy this for your Christmas creating this year because this has everything that you would want in a Christmas kit. Now, for those of you that have been with us for a while, we did release a kit called Yuletide Cheer, which was 2 weeks ago. And actually, this Yuletide Joy, so many of you emailed us. The Yuletide Cheer comes in a navy and cream color. It is a beautiful collection as well. But so many of you emailed us and loved that Yuletide Cheer and said, would you consider remaking the Yuletide Cheer in the traditional red, green, and gold? Mary Fran said, sure, yeah, that's no problem at all. And that is where Yuletide Joy is. So, like I said, for those of you that have been around for a bit, you will see the Yuletide Joy is an exact copy of Yuletide Cheer, but it is in these traditional colors. And as I said before, if you are a traditional colored person, this is the kit for you. So our bundled collection obviously comes with our 5 coordinated products, no duplicates in any of these, and you save 20% versus purchasing each of these items individually. So definitely worth the purchase if you're going to be using this kit. So in this kit, again, for those of you that saw our Yuletide Cheer, you're going to see the exact same patterns just in these different colors. And these colors are beautiful. The tones that Mary Fran picks, that true red, you know, the true green, it's not, they're not funny looking colors. You know, you go to the store sometimes and you see, oh, you know what, I really like this, but, you know, the color of it is off. Mary Fran's tones in this kit collection are just spot on. They are those colors that you want to see, the true red, the true green, the true gold, so that way when you're making your creations, whether it's cards, layouts, whether it's home decor items, you know, whether you're decorating a gift bag, whatever it is that you're going to choose to do with this kit, because there's so much creating to go on here at Christmas time. Whatever you choose to go and do with this kit, it is going to be stunning. The beauty and everything else as well of the patterns that you get included in this kit, there is so much being offered. As you can see, these are just the backgrounds, and now we're into the elements. There is so much being offered. You're going to be able to create with this kit again and again and again and again, and all coordinated. So whether you wanted to do all of your Christmas cards this year, and even though you know, you have multiple ones to do, you are going to have so many. You're going to have so many different ones that you're going to be able to create, and that is the beauty of buying this collection. You can have coordinated items, but they're not the exact same. You don't have to just produce the exact same item. So as you can see scrolling through, there's lots of blank tags as well as pre-made tags and labels and things for you. So if you're a little pressed for time, Christmas is a busy time of the year. If you're a little pressed for time, not to worry, because you do have these pre-made items such as these labels and previous ones that we've seen. You can go through and do it, but as well, here's the blank ones, because maybe you loved the tag but didn't want that phrase on it. You're going to see some phrases that you can easily utilize in the little bits when we get there here in a second, but you can also write your own on there before you print these items, and that way we realize that not everybody has English as their primary language, or you wanted to say something different. We fully understand that and want to give you those options so that you have full creative control, such as these poinsettia clusters, but you also have pre-made items, which are so very important because of the time commitment that Christmas has. So in these presents, just as a quick aside here, there is the bottom, there is the top, or you can have it as a fully assembled item. But you could also have them as pieces, because if you're doing it in your card, maybe you want a pocket. So you can just paste the bottom on. You can have the top slide off. You could have a piece of paper that is basically, when you cut it out, that hangs down from the top, just blank paper. So you slide that into the bottom, and that's where your sentiment is. So unique things that you can do with this. Mary Fran has given you all sorts of creative options in here. I hope that you'll take advantage of them, because you know what? Christmas is so much fun. And, you know, at Christmas time, that's the time to really let your creativity go. Really spend some time with it. You may not take the time throughout the year or have the time throughout the year in order to do it for people's Christmas or birthday and anniversaries and things like that. But boy, Christmas is really the time to do it. So I hope that you'll carve out some time for yourself. It does bring so much enrichment to your day, as well as to others and the recipients that you're doing these things for. You know, Christmas gifts as well, whether that you're making a photo album of, you know, maybe your parents have passed, or maybe it's your kids and you want to give them their Christmas photos from Christmas years past. What a great thing to pass along, and what a great thing to do at Christmas time. In our Little Bits, once again, for those of you that are newer to us, our Little Bits contain more finished items. So it's a great starting spot. Like when you look at something like this label, you know that is a main element. That's where you can start with. So again, in here has a lot of these pre-made items. So whether you're pressed for time or you just want to have a starting spot, because there is so much to create, it makes it, you know, in case you have a little creator's block or whatever the case may be, this gives you the perfect spot in order to start, is in the Little Bits. That way you can work backwards in terms of the papers you want to use and everything else. There is also Father Christmas. Santa Claus makes an appearance in the Little Bits only, so you don't want to miss out that. Here are the sentiments I was talking about earlier, where these work exactly like your physical stamps, but these are a digital stamp. So the background is absolutely transparent, so you can put these onto one of the blank labels, blank tags, whatever you want to do. You size it properly and put it on there before you print it, and you have these sentiments on. So that way you can choose the sentiment that you want to appear on there. The solid papers, the solids work just like you would cardstock. So you want the perfectly color matched cardstock. So many of us like to back our main elements, photos, whatever it is, with an appropriate color, and that is exactly where the solids come in. Let's actually go into the 2 paper pack here. The 2 paper pack, again, you'll see these patterns. These are the same patterns that you saw in the FQB, but they are in different colors. You will not see this honeycomb red with the gold honeycomb anywhere else. You will not see the poinsettia in this champagne color. The background of it is a champagne color. Or you won't see it in this pine green color. You will not get it anywhere else. So I don't want you to think that you're getting duplicates. It is additional colors in the same patterns so that they are coordinating. That is the point of the 2 paper pack, just to give you more options when you're creating. And lastly is our talk. So our talk is our alpha, and again, very sparkly. When you're talking Christmas, you want to go all out. You want that shine, that sparkle. You know, you want everything to really have some pizzazz and some life to it. And that is exactly what happens here with our alpha. You really want this to come through. You really want it to shine, whether you're using it for names, dates, places, emotions, Yuletide words, whatever it is that you're doing. This is the use for our talk, our Yuletide Joy talk. And that is it. So you see you get a set of numbers, a set of letters, and a bit of punctuation. So before I let you go, let's have a quick peek at layout, just to give you a little inspiration. So that you can see it all come together. How beautiful is that? That rich, rich red. These have the tones again that I was telling you about. Mary Fran really hit it on the nose with the tones of the red, the gold, and the green. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful items. And feel free to take a look at this and copy some of it. You know, nothing wrong with that whatsoever. And our card, there's our card. So if you're thinking, oh, I'd love to make a Christmas card, boom, copy it if you like it. You know, it's pretty obvious which papers I used when I created this. You know, you can pop in and use that border. This is one of those mini tags and a frame, a bell on here, a poinsettia on here. You know, it's a well embellished and a nicely elaborated card, but it's not difficult to make. And like I said, feel free to go ahead and copy that card for your use this year. Thanks once again for tuning into our video, but before you dash off, go down to the bottom, click the subscribe button, and also the like on this if you like the video. But the subscribe button will that way YouTube will let you know every time new videos are put up from us. You'll never miss out on anything. And leave us a comment below. Let us know what you're going to make this year with the Yuletide Joy Collection. Let us know what your thoughts are. Thanks once again for tuning in, and we hope you'll get this collection for yourself and enjoy some Christmas creating.